Welcome back to La Vida Goose, guys. We're actually here today. I'm actually going to take you guys along to basically build chicken cages for our chicken. Parts of it is going to be used for quarantine purpose, and some of them are going to be used for the chicks that are actually growing. So yeah, so I thought I'd take you guys along on how I'm actually going to be building this chicken cage. It's going to be a multi-purpose cage. It's going to be made of 4 individual compartments, and we're going to be using bamboo and wood at this point to create the cage. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys haven't done so, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. We're constantly trying to add more and more content for you guys, but right now we're actually focused at this point on our homestead is chickens. So we're actually going to be using 2x2s for the structure of the cage, and yeah, so I'm going to take the measurements and then basically lay out everything and then start cutting them into pieces so that we could put everything all together. So we actually have two frames built right now, and we're just gonna put them together. So the frame is almost done. We're going to be putting extra supports in the center of each of these rows, so we could actually put the flooring. In this case, we're going to be using a plastic screen as flooring. So yeah, we're going to put extra pieces of wood in between here, so that it acts as extra support when we actually lay the plastic screen. So it's actually day 2 of our project here. We had to stop halfway through yesterday because it started raining. It's that time of the year where the weather is a bit unpredictable at this point, but today is nice and sunny this morning, and I'm actually working on finishing the cage. So I'm just marking down the measurements for the legs of the cage there, and then we're basically going to just trim everything down to pieces and then install them. So there's a total of 6 legs that I went ahead and cut, and I'm just going to put one there, one in the middle, and one at the end here. To make things a bit more sturdier, I went ahead and provided extra bracing for the legs of the chicken cage. So we're going to be using this green netting here for the flooring and the roof of the chicken cage. So if you notice, the mesh is about this size here. I'm not too sure at this point what's the exact measurements, but it looks approximately like this. I'm actually sweating like hell here because it's pretty hot today, but yeah, if you notice, we're just basically laying the netting, and we're trying to stretch it as much as we can, but it's obviously sort of wavy. We're going to be putting some bamboo slats as well here, just to make sure that it doesn't slip away in the future. But yeah, so we're slowly progressing there to the end there. So in order to prevent the bamboo slats from cracking, I'm actually going to pre-drill the bamboo so that it alleviates a bit of pressure when I start putting some nails on it. So we're down to another day building this chicken cage. It's taken a bit of time. The weather hasn't been cooperating. It's been raining mostly in the afternoon. So we're continuing it today. We're actually going to be in the middle of doing the back side of the cage. We're going to put some bamboo slats along here, and then basically going around and then completing the cage as we go here. So we got one side that's practically complete. So we'll just continue along the area and cover it with bamboo. So we're down to putting the walling of the chicken cage there. And what I'm using here is called marine board. It's I wouldn't say 100% waterproof, but it's somewhat waterproof in a sense. And the reason I'm using this is just so that it lasts a bit longer. So here we go. We have our first walling here, and then we're just gonna place it right now. So that's how it's going to look like, and I'm basically going to proceed in putting two more. That should be enough in terms of walling for the chicken cage. So we're done building the chicken cage where we worked for several days there, but it's finally complete. As you guys can see, there's actually the 4 cages along here, and the doors all complete. So if you look here, everything's all done, and we're ready to put this at its final location, and then start populating it with our chickens. So with that said, I'm going to conclude our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as usual, if you guys haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please make sure to do so, and make sure to like our video as well. So I guess until next time, goodbye.